catching that thing. Hi, Crook, come back here. Where'd he go? Crap. I just get up there and found. If I wasn't barefooted, he'd already been caught.
Come back up so you can get it out of there. Hey, go to your right, Kayla. Go to your right.
No, that's what he is.
No, I know, but you want it to get it out here in the open so it can't hide in the trees. Bring it out, bring it out.
Bring it out.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Y'all want me to catch it, didn't you? Bye.
I say.
Yep, he's fighting rooster.
Oh, it's a fighting rooster?
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you know that?
Look, he's red.
He's what?
Hatch. See? They're jumpy.
Oh, it's jumpy?
And look at his spurs.
Wow.
Can I see it?
Look at his wings.
You actually caught it. I'm surprised.